Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing everything you need so the reinstall goes smoothly. First, back up your files to an external drive or cloud and verify the backup. Next, make a bootable USB installer using an 8 GB stick and the official ISO. Use Rufus or the Media Creation tool. Also collect drivers and record your Windows product key. Put drivers on a second USB. Once done, shut down, plug in the installer, and boot to UEFI/BIOS to start the process. You now execute the clean install with precision. Boot the USB, choose Custom Install, and delete old partitions so the installer creates a clean system partition. Make sure UEFI is selected and OSI or NVMe mode is correct before proceeding. Install Windows to the SSD or NVMe drive to maximize performance. Once Windows is up, prioritize chipset and storage drivers, then GPU and network drivers. This order prevents driver conflicts. Make sure to reject bundled software and skip vendor bloat during initial setup. You finish by restoring only the files and settings you actually need, then reinstall essential apps to avoid reintroducing slowdowns. Run Windows Update and vendor firmware or BIOS updates, and confirm trim and proper disk alignment for SSDs. Next, run light benchmarks and monitor temperatures and I/O during typical tasks to confirm improvement. If lag continues, test RAM with Memtest and check storage with Smart Diagnostics. If errors appear, replace the failing component. This troubleshooting tip will pinpoint persistent hardware issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.